Welcome back to our channel, Tool Junkie. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more woodworking tips. Today, we're focusing on the circular saw and the mistakes you should avoid. This is especially great for beginners or anyone looking to brush up on their skills. Let's get into it. But first, we need better understanding of the tools. Before we make any cuts, we need to go over some circular saw basics. It's a powerful tool capable of making a variety of cuts, but it's important to understand and respect its power. Always start by reading the manual and getting comfortable with the saw's parts and capabilities. Mistake number 1, ignoring safety precautions. The first and biggest mistake is not taking safety seriously. Always wear safety glasses and ear protection. Keep your work area clean and well lit, and never start the saw with the blade touching the material. Safety first, always. Mistake 2, using dull blade. Using a dull blade can lead to more than just poor cuts. It can be dangerous. A dull blade requires more force, which can cause kickback. Check your blade regularly and replace it when needed. This simple step can make a world of difference. Mistake number 3, incorrect blade depth. Setting the blade too deep is a common error. The correct depth is about a 1/4 inch below the material you're cutting. This will help reduce kickback and give you better control over your cuts. You can also keep your cuts clean by checking the blade before each use and replacing it or having it sharpened when you notice signs of wear or difficulty cutting. Mistake 4, poor support for your workpiece. Not supporting your workpiece properly is a mistake that can result in inaccurate cuts or accidents. Always use clamps and a stable surface to keep your material secure while cutting. Mistake number 5, forcing the saw. Never force the saw through a cut. It can wear out the saw and leave you with a rough finish. Apply steady, moderate pressure, and let the blade work at its own pace. Mistake 6, not checking for obstructions. Always check for nails, screws, or knots before cutting. These can catch on the blade and cause kickback, damaging both the blade and the material. Mistake 7, freehand cuts without a guide. Avoid making freehand cuts without a guide. It's tough to maintain a straight line, so use a straight edge or a circular saw guide to help with precision. Mistake 8, starting and stopping cuts improperly. Begin your cut with the saw at full speed and finish your cut before lifting the saw away. This will help you achieve a clean edge and prevent damage to your material. So you need to check this carefully. That's it for the common circular saw mistakes to avoid. Remember, practice makes perfect. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips. Drop a comment with your own experiences, and until next time, happy woodworking